Hello, and welcome to the RTA Tech Tips series. In this demo, we will demonstrate how to redirect a Crystal report to your RTA database. This pertains to the Crystal Developer version XI or newer. Now, whether you purchase the Best of Crystal Reports package or a custom Crystal report from us, when you receive any Crystal report from RTA, you will have to first redirect the report before it becomes usable on your end. This is because Crystal Reports embeds the database connection as part of the report file itself. That means any reports generated by us will have an RTA network database that they are saved to and not your own local RTA database. This just simply means you must redirect the report or reports to your data and save them once for the report to now be usable for future use on your system. To accomplish this, simply open a report in Crystal by double-clicking on the RPT file, or launch Crystal and then select Open Report. Once the report is open, then go to Database, Set Database Location. You will see at the top of the screen the current connection or current data source. There will be an RTA local network server name. In the lower window, you will see a Replace With section. There should be a My Connections folder on versions newer than XI or a Favorites folder on version XI. This should have your local connection listed if Crystal has been used on your RTA data before. If not, then refer to the video on how to initially connect Crystal to RTA. Simply select your RTA data connection and hit the Update button. This should change the current data source to then reflect your live RTA data. Now simply close out of the screen and make sure to save the change permanently. Note, if you do not save it once the redirect takes place, it will revert back to the original database once you open the report again. Lastly, it is recommended after all the reports have been redirected, if you are using anything newer than Crystal XI, to go into the Database Expert and delete out any connection left in the My Connections folder that is not your live RTA data. You do this by right-clicking on a non-valid connection and select Delete Connection. Now, the reason you want to do this last step is because the newer versions of Crystal Developer automatically add connections it comes in contact with, i.e. the RTA default connections from the original reports. So if you don't delete them, they are actually not usable, and leaving them in place may cause some confusion when creating brand new reports in the future. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.